Okay, another video on Backstage at the DollarStoreMagicTricks.com. I sell an item on there. It's called the Magic Tube. Sometimes it's called the Magic Water Tube because you can use water with this tube. The point is this is a very versatile prop and you can use it for different things. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can use this. And you know, the point is to take a simple magic trick, a classic, and take it up to the next level. So here's the first one. Take a look at this video. This is a magic tube. I'm going to show you how it works. You see I have an empty bowl and a glass with some water in it. This water is salt water. Watch as I pour it into the tube. I place the cap on top of the salt water in the tube, and like magic, it changes this water and removes the salt. Look. Now that's a simple version of doing it. So then I started thinking, wait a second, what else can I do with this? And I thought, wait a second, I can use it as a blendo. So what I do is I take a thumb tip streamer and I cut it in half and cut that half into pieces and put the solid piece into the tube. You'll just go watch the video. You'll see how I use this tube to do a blendo. Look it out. Check it out. I can take these pieces of a silk handkerchief and I push them inside of this tube. All the little pieces go inside there. And when they get all inside there, guess what happens? They magically change. And you can actually make them restore into one piece. Whoa, how does that happen? Okay, now here's the biggie. You can buy what's called the pecan, and they can cost up to $25, $30. This little tube will do exactly the same thing as your pecan. And it's just, you know, for a small amount of money. And if you don't know what the pecan is, you'll see in the video. It may not be your style of magic, but it's something I think is very funny in the right audience. And so go check this out. For my next trick, I have a black bean and a yellow pea. What I'm going to attempt to do is to change the black bean into a yellow pea. Now see the difference? Watch. An empty tube, the black bean goes in. I put the cap on. I snap my fingers and I say presto. And guess what? It changes into yellow pea. Uh-oh, that's not the pea I was expecting. Oh no, I'm so sorry. So there are 3 ideas you can use with this little magic tube. A very inexpensive prop, and yet you can take that magic to the next level and use it for multiple things. So go check it out at the DollarStoreMagicTricks.com.